How to use Amazon Prime Video on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use Amazon Prime Video on mobile. So to use Amazon Prime Video on mobile, you want to open up your Play Store or an App Store first thing and locate Prime Video, install the app. After which you want to make sure to either create an account or log into your account. So if you want to create an account, you just want to simply go ahead and open up the homepage, click on start a free trial, enter in your information such as the email address, phone number that you want to register with, create a password, and lastly you have to provide in your credit card details. Once you're done providing following information, select a profile, set a username or set a profile for if you're sharing with your friends, you could set a specific profile as well. And now then you could just launch open and start watching the show on Amazon Prime Video. And this is the simplest thing you need to do in order to use Amazon Prime on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.